guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nazlin. Hi guys. Welcome to welcome to my channel. My name is Nazlin. If you just come by to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I want to pack with you guys. I'm going for I want to pack. We are going to my sister's place for mini vacation time. So I want to pack with you guys. We prep and we pack together. So yeah, that's what we're going to do right now. Sorry, I'm communicating with my sister. So these are the clothes that I want to go with. Mine and my boys. And we want to pack here. I don't know if they will fit all of them, but let us see if they will fit. welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nazlin. If you're just stopping by, I do content related to beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. If you could be interested in such and you are new here, kindly consider subscribing down below. Comment, share, give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And yeah, to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Thank you for returning. I love you guys. So guys, I need to give you guys an update. After I finished packing, we were running out of time, like we were getting late to be where we are now, so we had to get out quickly, and I didn't have time to update you guys, so we took an Uber and we came. Yeah, we had somewhere to be before we come here, so we went there, and then whatever we were supposed to do there it didn't work out, so we just came straight here. So after we came here, we were so famished, we were so hungry. I tell you guys, we were so hungry. The kids were just like, we want food. Even me, I was so hungry. So after we arrived here, I went straight to cooking. I cooked food, we ate, and then I sat down and I watched some YouTube videos, and then I did some TikToks. Yeah, and then I decided I come here and update you guys. Yeah, look at the background, guys. Look at the background. It looks so cute. It looks so cute. So in the next few days, you're going to see me filming in this spot. I'm going to do some few sit down videos here for you guys, and I hope you will like them. I'm planning to do some few sit down videos here. And yeah, how cute is the background? How cute is the background? I love it here. I always love it here, of course. It's a very beautiful, a very nice space. I hope you guys can hear me because it is so windy right now. It is 6:12. Currently 6:12. 6:13 actually. Yep. It's currently 6:13. It's so windy. So yeah, I just wanted to come and give you guys a little update and end the vlog right here. I know the vlog is going to be a bit short. Yeah, it's going to be a bit short. I'm not going to end it right here. Let me see if I'm going to have some interesting activities that I'm going to do, and I'm gonna put them in this vlog, in today's vlog. Yep. So that's the agenda of now. So right now I just want to go through TikTok and watch some TikToks and go through Instagram, do some Instagram, scroll on Instagram a little bit, and then I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, so I have remembered right now that I didn't show you guys the outfits of the day. I didn't show you guys the outfit of the day. So let me find a spot I put you guys and then I show you my outfit of today. I don't have a tripod outside here, so I hope where I'm going to place you guys, you're going to see me well. So let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Tomorrow for sure. Two hours later.